Hello, it is um, August 21st, 2016. There's something going on right around this area. This is from 2 days ago, 7.4 magnitude right there. Uh, and this has a weird formation under the ocean anyway. Um, this is the tip of South America, and this is Antarctica. And to me, it always looks like something came in and smashed right there and just dug this huge trench right through there. I mean, look at that. That looks so weird. Okay, and so then I'm going to go from there to another site here. This is the last 24 hours. And this is also strange, right? This is in telecast. Um, let's move this down a little. There's the timestamp on there. And right now, at this moment, there's this odd square in the satellite picture. But um, here is the last 24 hours of this recorded on here. Does the square show up as I get closer? Yes, it does. Look at that. Or a rectangle, I'm sorry. Of space in the satellite picture. This is also weird, these blurry business going on there. Okay, let's get closer and you can see how many earthquakes um, there have been in the last 24 hours. Okay, now red is the most recent 6 hours, and then it goes from yellow to orange to gray, I believe. So this one, 6.4 on August 21st. This one is a 5.1. Let's see. 5.4, 5.3. That has, it's overlapping the gray one. So look at those though. 5.8, 5.6, 4.9. This one will also be overlapping 4.9, 5.2, 5.2, 5.0. So, oh, let's back out of there. That's kind of cool looking. Whoa, woo-wee. Oh, that cloud looks kind of odd. Like it had a face on it for a minute there to me. See, doesn't look like a face in there. Sideways. Okay, so once again, this is where it's at. Let's get rid of the clouds so you can see. And we'll put the clouds back on just because that's quite interesting looking clouds. These loop-de-loop, they're very pretty. And then this rectangle is odd. Let's see if what happens if I move this head. This goes for the last hour. Not much of anything shows up. Oh, that's a bummer. Let's try it again. Oh, there we go. Oh, it looked like a bigger one in the corner. Or down here. Let's see what happens now. See what shows up. No, it was just, that was a weird illusional glitch in this thing, system. Look at this cloud here. It looks like it's shooting out of a picture or something. So I just wanted to point that out. I think that's odd and interesting. And we can look at the other earthquakes around the world while we're on here. This is tropical storm, tropical depression, and then these green dots are storms. But it's the red, yellow, the green. I mean, I'm sorry, the red, yellow, the gray, and the orange that we're looking at. To look at earthquakes. Tropical storm. And then these up by Japan. And my computer is running really slow tonight, and so am I. I'm so tired. I'm sorry that my energy is low, but I thought that, see how this is like a repeat pattern of this dippy cloud thing. It looks odd. I just thought that it was bizarre that there's all these earthquakes right down here recently. And I look at the weather and earthquakes almost daily, and that's just an unusual event. I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. Oh, I had to go back on here. This is from Earthquake Track. I was just getting out of this and saw something I didn't see right at the beginning of the video. But this talks about aftershocks. And so this gives a better presentation of earthquakes that have happened. This was the one, the 7.4, and how far-reaching that was. And then these are the smaller ones, and they're on here listed. But that's kind of cool. And look at how these islands are lined up. This is at the edge of that ridge. That's a bizarre area anyway. Let's back out. To me, it's intriguing. It's very amazing area. And I don't know if this little guy can go anywhere. There we go. So now we can look at what it looks like on one of the islands. I wonder why that's blurry there. Oh, it's just raindrops on the camera screen. So that's off of one of the islands. And some researchers down there, or people. I guess we can look at this insignia and see what it says. And then we can find out who's down there. All right, and I'm grateful for you, and I'm here.